Okay, we are going to see how to factor a difference of two cubes. Notice that here we have the 8x to the third power minus 27. We can actually write this as something to the third power minus something to the third power. 8 is 2 to the third power, so we can enter 2 here. And we also need this x. And then for the 27, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, so we can put the 3 right here. So we have 2x in the parentheses to the third power minus 3 to the third power. And in order to factor this, we have to use the formula. And let me remind you guys, when we have a to the third power minus b to the third power, this right here equals, the first factor is a minus b times the second factor is a squared plus ab, and then we add b squared. So as we can see, 2x is the a, the 3 is the b, and we just have to apply this formula, and we will get the first factor is a minus b, which is 2x minus 3. And then we multiply by the second factor. We first have to do a squared, which is 2x squared, and that will give us 4x squared. And again, this right here is because 2x squared. And then we add a times b, 2x times 3, so we get 6x. And this right here is because 2x times 3. And lastly, we add b squared, 3 squared, we get 9. And this is because 3 squared. And this is it. This quadratic cannot be factored. We stop right here. That's it. So hopefully this helps.